Hello, Simon. This is our third crisis meeting this week. What's going on, Simon?
Nothing.
6 people in intensive care. That's not nothing, Simon.
It's not me.
That's going to be hard to prove. But if it's not you, who is it?
Somebody else.
Whole body breaks for the impact. Liquid melody soaks me, thoughts filthy with syntax. Ducking and diving, see me weaving through heaving masses. My vision blurred, militant surge deep in the passage. There's no escape, you're just a red mark, my laser paint. Killer instinct sharp like the edge of a razor blade. Your body bag, squeeze of the trigger, the quick flash. Blind solo seek peace when the last enemy flatline. Shell shock.
Cave dweller settle the final score. Spray terrorist, head fence for no minus cause. Race tension, stress levels of violence.